day! This is my first time to wash this car. Alone.
Usually kasama ko si Raul.
Joy. So, yun lang daw. Just the water. Yeah. Spray ko. Oh, magkano kaya ang talent dito?
Uulitin ko lang magkano kaya ang talent fee ko dito. Shout out dyan!
So, later ko pinasok lang siya dito. Okay? This is the most challenging. Yan, maputik yan. Yan. Paano kaya linisan yan? Okay, bye.
And this is it, guys. I started cleaning this car at 8 a.m. and then more or less inabot ako ng 10:30. So 2.5 hours to complete the ano ba tawag dito? Full blast. Full blast car wash. Hindi ako gumamit ng anything like detergent or whatsoever na bawal. Yung advisor ko, sabi niya is gamit lang ng soft cloth. Yun, I don't know how to call it. And then water lang yan. At first gusto ko sa labas lang, pero ganun ako, sinipag ako, so I decided na hanggang sa loob. Sana matuwa yung may-ari nito. So kung sa labas magpapa-car wash ka, 400 pesos or 350 or whatsoever. Ewan ko, hindi ko rin alam. So here it is. Ang final output ng car wash ni Mrs. Escat. So, as for today, this is my first task. Today is June 17, 2022. Hi, such a fulfilling feeling. Okay, so much for today. Bye.